The shooting star candle pattern is one of the most important candles to learn to understand in price action candle reading. If you don't understand how to read these kinds of candles, you are trading the charts blind, as the price action candle reading is the language of the charts and the reason why candles are so important and have been used for so many years in charting and understanding financial markets. This is one of my favorite candle patterns as it really allows such strong confluence for reversal trade entries from our other indicators and really helps to strengthen a trading plan. What's up guys, it's Jordan here from Coin Bureau Trading. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and be sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. If you are trading along with us, be sure to use the Bybit link in the description to sign up an account to take advantage of the beautiful benefits there that we have organized for this community. Also subscribe to my personal trading channel for full crypto trading tutorials on an intermediate, a beginner, and a pro level. Be sure to put on the notifications there also for the live trading streams where we trade as a community. You can also join our Discord community server where I am dropping my technical analysis throughout the week and our community are trading and learning together here on a daily basis. We can see here by the P&L share group that the crew is absolutely killing it using our strategies. So, what is a shooting star candle pattern? This pattern occurs when an appreciating asset abruptly reverses lower, leaving behind a long upward wick. It is viewed as a bearish reversal pattern, and it must be found at the top of an uptrend. The psychology of this pattern can be slightly complex. First, traders see an uptrend with the continued strengthening of price, and then nervous traders on the sidelines watching the price appreciate worry that they might miss out. Due to this FOMO, traders then buy into the market, pushing the price even higher. This effectively attracts bullish traders into the market, which becomes a strong setup for a reversal. As the market accelerates higher, the candle starts large and bullish, and the trap is set. The market begins to then decline as fast as it increased within that candle, closing the candlestick relatively close to where it opened. Let's break down how the shooting star pattern looks. And there are essentially 4 parts that make up the perfect shooting star. The pattern starts with a large uptrend, and this is shown with point number 1. This helps set a trap for the bullish traders as they may experience FOMO on the trend. The next candle in the trend is where the traders get trapped. First, the FOMO on the uptrend kicks in as more traders enter the market by the influence of the uptrend. This creates the beginning of what appears to be a large bullish candle, point 2. Then the uptrend abruptly reverses and begins to retrace most of the recent price gains at point 3. The candle formation is confirmed when it closes near the opening price, leaving behind a small body at point 4. Then the uptrend abruptly reverses and begins to retrace most of the recent price gains at point 3. The candle formation is confirmed when it closes near the opening price, leaving behind a small body at point 4. The color of the candle body does not matter. It could be red or green or black or white depending on your software. The most important aspect of the pattern is the very long upper wick and a relatively small body. The wick needs to be very long, and this can help you judge how powerful this reversal is going to be. One pattern to be very aware of when differentiating with the shooting star is the inverted hammer. It is technically the identical candle, but it is where it appears that is so important. In candle reading, context is everything. The shooting star appears at the top of an uptrend and the inverted hammer appears at the bottom of a downtrend. Now let's look at how to identify a shooting star pattern. The essence of this pattern is a bullish trap that pulls long traders into a bullish trend as they anticipate more highs, only to see the market abruptly reverse lower. And hence, this pattern becomes much more effective when it appears near other important levels of resistance. Appearing near resistance applies more fuel to the pattern's strength, as long breakout traders who are experiencing FOMO anticipate the break. Near to these resistance levels, breakout traders will push the prices higher to create a short squeeze. However, if the breakout doesn't continue higher, then the sellers step in, forcing the market lower. As the price moves down, the stop losses of the breakout traders are hit, triggering additional selling pressure to the price. This creates a false breakout higher, which leaves behind the long wick to the upside. Therefore, the key ingredients to look for in the shooting star candlestick include the uptrend, a steady increase of trend in price, then the long wick, a swift bearish reversal creating the long wick to the upside, and it should be 2 to 3 times the length of the body, and then the small body, Let's talk now about which indicators you can use to confirm these signals. As always, we need to have confluence from other indicators and strategies within a rounded trading plan. One of the strongest indicators you can use for confluence with the shooting star are your Fibonacci retracement levels. I will drop my full tutorial on this in the description. When the shooting star appears near to one of these Fibonacci levels, the signal of the shooting star is strengthened. Some traders will choose to enter this pattern at the close of the shooting star, but most conservative traders will wait to see what the next candle holds. If there is a nice bearish engulfing candle after the shooting star, this is often a very nice signal to enter the short. Of course, as always, your stop loss should be above the previous swing high. If you are a conservative trader, another nice technical analysis tool to use here is an ascending trend line to show you when the uptrend is technically broken. Of course, remember to use your risk to reward ratio here and your gradual take profits. As with any new technique that you learn, please remember to backtest this on demo before using real capital. And I cannot emphasize enough to make sure you are using this as a confirmation signal within larger trading plans. I hope this has been useful. Please let me know any questions you have in the comments.